Here we have this message variable set to the string, Python programming. Now let's say we want to display a double quote right here. The problem we have is that this second double quote indicates the end of the string, so Python interpreter will not be able to run this code. Now there are two ways to solve this problem. One way is to replace these double quotes at the beginning and end of our string with single quotes. So single quote here and one more here. If we run this program, we see this double quote just before programming. Beautiful. But let's say for whatever reason, we want to use double quotes here, perhaps to be consistent with the rest of our code. So how can we display another double quote in the middle of the string? Well, in Python, we have a concept that is borrowed from the C language that is called escape character. So in Python strings, backslash has a special meaning and we refer to it as an escape character. So Python interpreter sees this backslash as a special character, it has a special meaning, and depending on the character that comes after that, it will interpret it differently. Let's see this in action. So now when we run this program, we can see our double quote here, but the backslash character is not there because backslash is an escape character. So in this case, it's used to escape the double quote. Now we refer to these two characters as an escape sequence. In Python, we have a few other escape sequences that you should be aware of. Let me show you. So this hash sign is an indication of a comment line, so it's not executed. You have seen backslash double quote. We also have backslash single quote for displaying a single quote in our string. We also have double backslashes. So if you really want to have a backslash in your string, you should prefix it with another backslash. Here is an example. Let's run this program. And here's our backslash. And finally, the last escape sequence is backslash n, which is short for new line. So here, if I add a backslash n and run this program, you can see programming is on the second line. Now, this is okay for a simple string like Python programming here, but if you're trying to format a complex string into multiple lines, it's better to use triple quotes. Otherwise, you will end up with a lot of backslash n sequences, and that looks pretty ugly. So here we can use triple quotes and simply add Python, new line, programming. So when we run this program, we get exactly the same result as before. Well, not quite exactly, because here we have one new line on the top. That is because I put Python on a new line. If I put Python right in front of double quotes, run the program again, that new line disappears. So here are the escape sequences in Python.